Geek support. MSVCP140.dll missing or not found. How to fix it? Errors related to MSVCP140.dll can arise for a few different reasons. For instance, a faulty application, MSVCP140.dll has been deleted or misplaced, corrupted by malicious software present on your PC, or a damaged Windows registry. The program can't start because file is missing. The specified module could not be found. The code execution cannot proceed. DLL is either not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error. Open any browser and follow the link to download the registry configuration file that I made for you so that you don't enter a dozen commands on the command line. Make sure that you followed the correct link and got to the MediaFire website. The archive is called tweaks.zip. Accept the cookies and privacy rules and download the file by clicking on the blue download button. Wait until the archive is downloaded and close the window with the advertisement. Go to the folder where the archive was saved. Unzip the archive to the same folder. Find the tweak.reg file and run it by double-clicking with the left mouse button. Authorize changes. When prompted, click Yes on the taskbar to permit the application to make changes to your device. Click OK when asked to allow the registry editor to make necessary changes. Restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. And that's all for this video, guys. Hope this helped. If so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, press the bell icon to get notified about new videos, and I will see you in my next video. Geek support.